Behind me, I have the 2024 Coachmen Viking 6K Series 272 RLS. The RLS stands for Rear Living, if you did not know that. Model numbers actually give a little bit of an insight as to what y'all are looking at. So if y'all do have specific models or specific layouts that you're wanting, always look at the model numbers, and that little smidget at the end should give you a little bit intel. This Viking has a total footage of 31 foot and 1 inch, so basically just 30 feet, 31 feet. Also has a dry weight of 5890, which is pretty lightweight for how long this camper is. 272 RLS does have 2 entry doors, but we're going to go in the rear door first. That has the step above steps on it. As I've mentioned before, I really like these steps. In the rear of the camper, we do have a jackknife couch that folds into a bed. We do have side tables that are built in, as well as shelves above or cabinets above. And then over here in the corner is where we have our control panel for the slides. Camper does have one slide, and in that slide we have a U-shaped dinette that turns into a bed, and then our refrigerator, which is an Everchill, and I believe, yes, these refrigerators open from either side. Over in this area, we do have a built-in TV stand with storage, and I believe there is a backer on that wall for a TV mount. Moving into our little kitchen, we have a 3-burner gas stove that is Greystone with the range hood and a high point microwave. And of course, we do have storage all throughout. And here we have our sink with sink covers. I love how the sink covers blend in. Heading through our passage door, we do have a walk-through bathroom. As you can see, it has a pretty decent sized shower, lots of leg room for your toilet, and then we do have cabinets, medicine cabinet, and our sink. And it walks right into the master bedroom. More cabinets. I like how they have this little hideaway shelf. And we do have a queen bed. And then over here, you can install a TV, and it does have a little built-in TV stand. What's your favorite feature in this unit? I am not too sure. I am a sucker for U-shaped dinettes. Don't ask me why. Just a sucker for them. I love them. So that's probably my favorite feature. Or the walk-through bathroom. The bathroom is pretty big for a walk-through. Sometimes those can be a little bit too small, but I like the size of that one. But you guys let me know what y'all think. Let me know your favorite feature. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all the things. And I will see you next time for one of my silly, goofy videos or for a walkthrough. Thank you. Have a great day.